holidays. I'm Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today is day 10 of unboxing our Advent box. So today's gift is wrapped in tissue paper, and it says, Day 10, Fabric Wonderland. Enjoy sewing with these exclusive fabrics, Peri faux leather, and Chevron cork fabric. So we thought that this was a fun pick. Peri was the color of the year for 2022, so we thought we'd share that special color with you as a memory of 2022. And then a really fun fabric is cork fabric, so if you haven't worked with cork fabric, now is a great time to try it. So let's unwrap this goodie bag. And here are the fun fabrics inside. So who doesn't love getting fabric as a gift? So here we have the Peri Pebble, and here is the natural Chevron cork. This is so fun. It can pair with a lot of different quilt cottons or even solids of cork fabric or faux leather. Cork fabric is very soft and easy to sew with. There are lots of tips on our blog for sewing with faux leather and cork, so check those out if you're brand new. And also, all of our patterns are designed for either cork or faux leather. So just view the recommended fabrics on the back of the pattern, and we encourage you to give some of those a try for a start. So we hope you enjoyed this gift, and I will see you tomorrow for December 11th, where we open up another present.